In order to balance the good and bad cholesterol in your body, there are a few tweaks you can make to your current diet. Eat less meat. But you're going to eat meat now and again, so if you really have to, choose leaner cuts. A leaner cut of beef, less fat than this one has here. Take the chicken skin off. This is really hard for some of us, but it's just better for you. Eat more fish, like this wild-caught salmon, mackerel, sardines. Dairy choices. Less butter, replace if you can with margarine, not stick margarine. The soft margarine has much less trans fats in it. That's what helps it keep its shape, so the soft margarine is better. You cannot taste the difference between sour cream and low-fat sour cream. So if you have to have sour cream, make a choice there. In recipes, did you know that you can substitute 2 egg whites for a whole egg? It gives you the nourishment you need from the egg without all the cholesterol. That's a very good choice. Whole rolled oats. These can show up in your breakfast as pancakes, muffins, biscuits, or just have whole rolled oats with a little skim milk, and it's a great way to start your day. Another good way to balance your good and bad cholesterol is eat more soluble fibers. These are the foods that have the benefit of fiber, but they pass through your system more quickly. That would be peas, lentils, in general, legumes, beans. Lastly, citrus fruits. Who doesn't love an orange now and then? Oranges, clementines, lemons, wherever you can get them, citrus fruits. So keep that balance and keep a healthy heart.